my channel. I'm Anne, and here at Chronically Beautiful, we are trying to live our best life, even though we probably don't feel like it. Today is a very special day because, dun, 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 I have a special guest here with me.
Yay!
My bestie Pam is here. So we're going to have some fun. We've got a couple of ideas. I think we might record a couple of films. We're going to do some cinema. We're going to record a couple of videos tonight, and we're going to have some fun with that. So I'll edit this crap out. Okay. I found these cool eyeshadow things at the Dollar Tree, so we're going to do these today. So that seems like something you're interested in. Stick around because you're really going to have a lot of fun. But before we dive into the video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up if you like it. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you can be notified of all of my future uploads. All right, let's dive right in.
All right.
Fun. So I was recently at the Dollar Tree, and I found these little numbers, the Magic Beauty Instant Eyeshadow. And I definitely remember when these came out some time ago, and everybody was like, ooh, that's so cool. And I mean, seriously? So you can tell they did really well because there's now millions of them at the Dollar Trees all over the country. So mine is called...
Where are you seeing it?
Shade 67.
Oh, mine is shade 74.
So this is purples.
And smoky blue.
And then there is a green and purple.
What number is that one?
This one is shade 60.
And then this is shade 76. Hold on. It's like grays and beige. Another smoky eye-ish thing.
And
Pinky.
such. Okay, so we've got these. I'm thinking what we should do is put one on each eye.
Oh boy. Okay,
So we can try out the different colors?
Sure.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
So I'll go with the green one and the purple one.
And I'll go with blue and beigey, pinky.
All right. Oh, you know what I need to start by doing is removing the eye makeup I'm currently wearing.
I've got nothing on.
So why don't you read us the instructions while I am taking off the...
All right. Well, there are instructions on the back of the box. Can I read you the benefits of eye magic?
Yes, please.
Because 1, become your own makeup artist.
Oh.
2, achieve perfect results instantly every time.
Ooh.
3, longer lasting than conventional eyeshadow. That kind of has me nervous.
Yeah, how long is this gonna last? I can't imagine it's gonna go well enough for me to want it on for any length of time.
4, giving you confidence. Oh, God.
You know what, I was thinking that I would just have more confidence if I could just stamp my eyeshadow on all at one time.
This is magical.
It is. Well, that's why it's called magic. Eye magic.
5, create your own unique styles.
Well, how can I do that when this is pretty much it? I have
Maybe
no creativity on this.
Maybe they mean with your other makeup, like the rest of your
And I
face.
can spend the rest of my time doing that. Does eye magic make like a face magic? Where I just stamp on the whole thing?
Oh, I don't know. That would be, you know.
If so, we'll link it down below.
Yeah, and trademark.
I'm
Chronically Beautiful.
Yeah. I'm going to, it's like a sheet mask, only it is foundation, highlight, bronzer, blush, the whole spiel.
Can you imagine what that would look like?
And you just peel it off.
Like the rings around the eyes. That would just be missing. Keep up to date with the latest fashions. This is the latest.
Australian owned and designed, manufactured in Thailand.
Mateys.
It's a lot going on. It's an international product for sure.
It's ideal for women of all ages and skin tones.
Well, that's good.
Yes.
'Cause we old.
Diverse, too. We need more diversity in makeup. No more stretching eyelids.
Do I usually... I don't...
I do that.
You shouldn't do that.
I know, because I have fine lines already from that.
All stretched out.
Yeah,
Like
whatever.
God knows what. Alright, so how do we do it?
Hold on, I got 2 more.
My eyelids are now naked.
Oh, 1 more. Perfect. Perfect for any occasion, hygienic, and great for travel.
Oh, yes.
Those were all though. Okay.
Although I feel like this takes up more room than a basic eyeshadow palette. I guess you would need to bring them all. Okay,
Right.
let's crack
There are
into this.
instructions on the back, but I think let's
Oh,
pop.
whoa! Holy crap!
Pop.
There's so many of these in
Oh.
here.
I thought it was one set.
There's like billions of them and billions of them. Oh my gosh. All right, so this is what it looks like.
Oh, I'm gonna get one that's not. Hold on. Ooh.
I feel like this looks like the eyes.
I feel like I ruined mine by throwing them.
Good job. Powder Puff Girl eyes is what these look like to me.
I don't know.
Okay, so here's the purple.
All of mine are smeared.
Maybe that's why they were $1.
All right.
Step 1. Important. Close eyelid.
Why would you have your eyelid open? Like stick it on your eye.
Okay, important. Close eyelid. Then raise your eyebrow to give a flat surface for better application. Using both hands, hold the both
hands.
Hold the Eye Magic applicator firmly on the base of the eyelid for approximately 4 seconds. Okay. 2. Slide. While applying firm, comfortable pressure, slide the applicator across your eyelid in the appropriate direction to achieve a sharp look. Use the same applicator to blend if necessary. Well, do we want a sharp look or do we want it blended?
Oh, it's giving you the option.
Okay.
So you can either have a sharp look or you can blend it out.
You can blend it. Okay. 3. Go. For a different look, you can apply a second applicator of a different color over the existing eyeshadow to achieve a unique style.
That'll be unique.
Any user error can easily be corrected by blending with the applicator. So that little disclaimer right there shows us that if this doesn't go well, it's our fault, which I'm pretty sure is what the Eye Magic people are telling us.
Yes.
There's no wrong answer. It's not us, it's you. You should be able to fix it with this applicator. All right, let's do it.
Do I need some eyeshadow primer
Oh,
first?
I think we should. Let's give it a real chance. This is the Too Faced Shadow Insurance, which I feel like is a little fancy for what we're doing
Okay,
here.
how about
Let's save that one. We'll use the Wet n Wild eyeshadow primer, Photo Focus. And not to say that this isn't a great primer, because it is. So we're just going to do like a little teeny dab.
A little dab will do ya.
Between 2 fingers and the eyes. And I'm a little concerned because the instructions of this thing said that I need to use 2 hands, which like is going to be difficult because I need a hand to hold my mirror, so I'm going to have to improvise, I guess. Open your eyes, Pam. Do you have hooded eyes? You got primer everywhere.
Mine are like hooded light.
Hooded light. That reminds me of how Presbyterians are Catholic light.
Yes.
No offense out there.
I'm one.
I was raised Catholic and I've been to Presbyterian church and I would definitely agree that Presbyterians are Catholic light.
God, I got this primer everywhere. It's like on my eyelashes.
You did. It's now face primer. Okay. All right, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Bottoms up.
Cheers. Ding. All right, so we hold it and we hold it for 4 seconds. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004. And now you're supposed to slide.
Am I supposed to press this hard? Whoa! That's eyeshadow.
Look at mine.
Okay.
Oh my lord.
Now.
Okay, I partied too hard with the.
I want to give you the close up. I mean, it's not the worst thing that's ever happened.
I mean, well.
It reminds me, you know what it reminds me of? Like kabuki makeup.
Kabuki is a classical and much-loved form of drama featuring gorgeous costumes, outlandish makeup, and exaggerated movements.
I look like a raccoon. I partied too hard on that.
Whoa!
I slid too hard.
You slid, like, you slid into home, man. Yeah, that just looks like all kinds of black. I mean, look at mine. Mine's like...
Yours isn't bad.
Not bad at all.
You kind of look like you're going to an Eastern game, though. Like...
Yeah.
Like it would be.
Like, go team. Yeah, okay. I don't hate it. I mean, I don't like it, but... Yeah, I mean, I feel like this could have gone way worse, although I do have a lot of fallout. So I have like a green ring under my eye, which I don't appreciate. I will say this though, it is very pigmented.
Yeah, like I was shocked on how pigmented it would be.
Yeah, it's serious.
This is serious.
Now it says if you have an issue, use the applicator to blend.
I don't think that's a good idea.
So, oh. You're right. It was not. Should I have used this other, like the handle end?
I tried to use the handle end and it smeared it. It made it worse for me.
Oh, now I've ruined it. Hold on, let's just try it again.
And then because I have these fine lines.
Oh Lord!
It's
like jumped. It jumped the track. I don't know if you can see that or not. I'm not surprised that there's fallout because there is a great deal of fallout like inside the packaging here. Like it's everywhere. Maybe because we were silly and dumped them all over the place. This also reminds me of like opening a Lunchable.
I trying to smooth it out. It's not horrible. The line is bad, but I can fix that with this.
Oh, look at you. I don't know like who is wearing that much black eyeshadow, like their entire lid and up above the crease, all black. Like
no, it's gray.
It's a look.
You don't see the difference?
It's a oh
yeah.
Okay.
It's like gray.
It's definitely a look. That's what I'll say.
Cheers.
Color number 2.
Ding. I'm gonna use my mirror.
I can't.
1, 2, 3, 4. Good enough.
1.
Oh.
2.
Oh my gosh.
4. What if I hold it for longer? 7.
I think just once the product's gone, it's gone.
14.
Here, let me blend. Let me blend.
I don't hate it.
Yours actually looks really good on your eye shape.
Yeah, but okay, so if you have kind of almondy hooded eyes, this might work for you. Because here's the situation that the highlight shade is too low. So if you see, here's like my lid shade and then my crease shade is that lighter purple and then the highlight is right above it. And then there's like 10 feet of naked lid there between what is their highlight shade and my actual eyebrow. So maybe I just have like too much space from crease to eyebrow.
I look crazy.
You look like
I look like I don't have glasses and I did my makeup this morning.
Or Mimi from the Drew Carey show.
Drew Carey show, yeah. I got the Mimi.
Here's what I'll say, like whenever I watch any videos where people are reviewing things that are too colorful or they don't like it, they're always like, well, I mean, like, I guess that would be okay for like a festival. Like, where are all these festivals?
Yeah. What?
What?
The festival season is approaching.
If I was at a festival,
festival makeup look.
Festival makeup look perfect for a music festival.
With festival season coming up.
Festival inspired makeup.
A festival makeup looks.
Festival makeup look.
Festival season.
Like, why do we need to have so much makeup devoted to going to festivals? How many festivals are in your town? Because, what? Are we talking like a carnival?
And a graveyard mine. I'm just 22 and I don't mind dying. Do you love?
We have like
we have a lot of those, like in the parking lot at Aco Hardware. Down at the old Gibraltar Trade Center parking lot, like a carnival.
Redford Bell Creek.
Or like
no, I think they mean like Detroit Electronic Movement Festival, or like what's the lighted forest or whatever it is, like pretending samurai coasters.
Like this kind of festival?
Yes.
Because I feel like those kind of festivals
or Coachella.
I'm so sick of Coachella. Wouldn't it be dark?
For Coachella?
No, like for the oh, also, I know somebody who DJs those like electronic festivals.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. Shout out, you know who you are. So yeah, anyways, anybody who puts on makeup that they don't like, that's like too loud, they're always like, I'd wear it to a festival. Which I think is just an excuse for you to just
dismiss it.
Just, it's not okay. Like, it's okay if it's ugly.
Yeah.
But this is not good makeup. We're not wearing this to a festival
I would say,
anywhere.
I don't know if I would subject theater students to this, but if you needed to put eyeshadow on in like a...
Ooh.
For theater, I think that this would do the job on stage.
You know what? You're actually really right about that.
Or like dance recital.
Yeah. You know what?
Like, you need to change it real quick. Like, boom.
Oh my gosh. So I think you're onto something there. I think that theater kids who maybe like don't know how to do makeup, that would be really good.
Yep.
Dance dads. That you know, little Sally sees all her friends, Madison and
shout out to Sally's.
Harwell.
Who is Harwell?
And McKinley.
Oh.
And Janet.
Piper.
Oh, that's a good one. So yeah, you know, the little Sallys of the world. They're used to seeing all their little friends, all the McKinnons and Pipers of the world with their moms pulling in their like giant trailer that like transforms into a whole like lighted beauty room.
It's a whirlwind of hair, makeup, mayhem. Who's gonna get the best spot? Whose hair is gonna get done first? Who's gonna look the best? It is beyond crazy.
And their dad's just like, Sally, let's put in a ponytail. And then their hair looks like mine. So these would be great for the dance dads of the little Sallys of the world, I think.
Of America.
Because then dad could just, whoosh, done. Because from far away, I feel like
I'm gonna fall.
Me too. These are not terrible. Yeah, so I think that's about the only possible way these could be useful to any one member of the human race is for theater kids that need a quick change or don't know how to do makeup or all the dance dads in the world.
Who need help applying eyeshadow.
Who need help for little Sally. Because she deserves the best. It's not her fault that she has a single dad. At least he's getting her to dance. God, you know what? You don't... Some people are so judgmental.
Sally.
To all the Sallys.
This one's for you.
That's our take on this.
Yeah.
I think that this is a terrible product.
For everyday wear.
For everyday wear.
Like, I don't think I'd show up
anywhere in
with
public.
This.
Ever. But I think there could be a niche for the dance dads and theater kids out there.
Festival.
It does not get the chronic or the festival look. Who's going to all these festivals?
Do you have a festival near you? Will you
Tell us
comment
about,
below?
Yeah, comment below if you go to several festivals a year, which is what these YouTube girls seem to be talking about. And there's whole palettes dedicated to just festivals. Like I think this Take Me Back to Brazil palette, we would call this a festival look. Me, I just call it a Wednesday. I don't care. I'll wear any of it. I just think it's fun. But some people are like, if it's not a naked palette, I mean, I guess it would be good for a festival. Now,
life's too short. Be colorful.
I agree. You don't have to wait for a carnival.
Right.
I mean, a festival. So, all right, you guys. Thank you so much for coming. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. We would love for you to comment below. Have you tried these? What are your thoughts? Please hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed it. Tell your friends. Don't forget to ring the bell. Keep coming back. Take care of you. I love my little music.
It's so cute.
Thanks, YouTube free music. Ding. Subscribe, ring the bell, blah, blah, blah. Rewind.